Hello everyone! Divide the hair into 3 parts. Make 3 ponytails out of the 3 parts and then roll the hair in on each other. Then take a ribbon and then tie a knot with the ribbon, add it to the top and then put it through the ponytails on either side. Using the ribbon as a section, make a braid out of it. Join the 2 braids at the back and then tie a bow. Roll the braids upwards. For our next hairdo, start off by dividing the hair into 2 portions, then take the front portion from one of the sides. Then make a braid out of it. As you progress with the braid, include more and more sections from the rest of the scalp into this braid. Once you come to the bottom, normally braid the hair and then roll the braid upwards. Add a decorative bow to it to make it look all the more cuter. For our next hairdo, comb the hair into place, then take a section from the front. Tie a rubber band to it and make a ponytail. Roll the hair in on itself. Take a section right underneath it and then tie a rubber band to it as well. Once again, roll it in on itself and then tighten it. Tie a braid at the bottom and then roll the braid upwards. Add a decorative clip or a rubber band to it. This will add to the aesthetic appeal. Next, take a section from the front and begin to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, include very small delicate sections into the braid. This is a French braid. Make sure that it is tightly put, as in this type of braid, it is very easy for the hair to slip. Once you reach the bottom, you may normally braid the hair. Add a decorative clip. For our next hairdo, take a section from the front of the hair, tie a ponytail with it. Divide it into 2 portions, twist it, and then wrap them one on top of the other. Once you reach the bottom, make a ponytail and add a decorative rubber band. Start off by taking a section from the top and then make a braid out of it. This will be a normal braid. Tie a rubber band to it once you are done. Then take a section from the front. Taking a section from the front, make another braid out of it on either side. Join them at the back. Add a decorative bow. For our next hairdo, start off by tying a ponytail. Add a ribbon through the hair. Then, using the ribbon as one of the sections, make a braid out of it. Once you are done with the braid, wrap it around into a bun shape. Then, taking the piece of the ribbon that is left, wrap it around the bun. Make it into a bow shape. Tie a rubber band after you have made the shape. Tie it up to the hair. Add some clips if necessary. For our next hairdo, take 2 sections from the front and then tie a rubber band to it. Put the second ponytail through the first. Add a clip. Thank you for watching.